Mortals, as night falls and stars paint the sky, indulge me as I share a tale of humility, strength, and the wisdom found in unexpected places. Long ago, in a forgotten village nestled amidst towering mountains, there lived a young artisan. Skilled in craftsmanship, yet burdened by self-doubt, he carved intricate figures from the wood, seeking solace in his creations. He dreamt of crafting a masterpiece that would earn him admiration, but his heart yearned for something more profound, a purpose beyond accolades. Through chance encounters and unexpected friendships, the artisan learned that the true essence of his art lay not in perfection, but in the emotions his creations evoked. In embracing the flaws and nuances of his craft, he discovered that true strength lay in vulnerability, and humility was the key to unlocking the depth of his creations. As the night deepens, remember this tale. Within imperfections lie stories untold, and within humility lies the strength to embrace our true selves. May you find beauty in imperfection. This is Kratos, bidding you a peaceful night, and may stories guide your dreams.